The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our OpenAI API background, playground. We're going to go in and create some assistants. The first piece that you really want to create is your blog content writer. So you're going to have a blog content writer. Their job is to write just the first paragraph of the blog content. We use the instructions. You are an intelligent content writer who specializes in the very first paragraph in an SEO optimized blog when provided a summary. You maximize reader attention in this first paragraph with emotional and visual language. Okay, we're also going to add in utilize hooks and storytelling elements to master attention. Okay. And then we're going to go create the middle writer. You're an intelligent content writer who specializes in the main content in 2 to 4 paragraphs with SEO optimized language when provided the first paragraph. You maximize reader attention in the first paragraph with emotional and visual language. Remember, it's about the reader's attention every step of the way. We're going to have the blog writer conclusion. You are an intelligent content writer who specializes in the very last paragraph in an SEO optimized blog. When provided a summary, you deliver the payoff of the previous content provided as a conclusion and always include a link to, and then insert your link at the bottom of each piece of content. So, once we've got those 3, we'll be using our blog title writer. You are a master of short and catchy titles for blogs that have a high SEO value and a great hook to interest readers in the blog itself. Use phrases like, what would it be like to, or can you really, as mainstays, but do vary while keeping the SEO keywords provided prioritized. Boom. You've got your 4 assistants for blog titles, or for your blog writer. So we're going to go to our integration, and we're going to call on that Google Sheet. I've got mine set up to get range values, but you could set yours up to watch rows if you're going to be adding keywords, things of that nature. You're going to message an assistant, blog content writer paragraph 1, write a paragraph about the keyword phrase A. We could actually get rid of that because it is redundant. I'm improving this as I go along. That's how I do all things. Constant improvement, Kaizen. Provided a body of writing, give. God bless. That's probably helpful. And then we're going to message the writer conclusion. So we've got first paragraph, middle, conclusion. And then we have the title writer, which writes, we're going to actually shorten that to short title for this blog with the full blog so that it has all the context and the keyword. And then we're going to post that to our Blogger account. Now, I use Blogger not because of the post blogging, but because it is an outside site. We're going to create that same scenario. We're just going to clone it. And instead of going to Blogger, we're going to have it go to the WordPress site hosted on our website. And then same thing, right? Same Google Sheets, same assistants. It's going to write a different piece for your WordPress site than it will for your Blogger. And then we're going to go with our RSS feed. Now you're going to RSS to your Blogger because it has the RSS. You're going to have it return an item. And then it's going to message an assistant. Facebook content writer. You want to have something that writes specifically for your Facebook content. I tell it, do not include instructional information in the text because it will occasionally say you should insert an image. This is the image creator. It does the same thing. And then those are posted here. That is set to run every 3 hours. This one goes to Reddit. Same thing. Blogger. This one is actually a LinkedIn content writer for Reddit. Same thing. And then, right? So it posts to Reddit with our link. Our link gets posted to our Reddit. Do it in your own group. Don't do it in somebody else's. And then last but not least, LinkedIn. The difference here, I do not have an image. I do not have a Dolly user. So it's just the text. But it's still going to our RSS feed on our blogger. And then writing specifically for the platform by using an assistant. And that is your entire content, on-page, off-page system in 5 scenarios, 5 short scenarios. I like to keep them short because it makes it so that they don't end up breaking in more than one place if they break. So you do have to be able to check on them, make sure they're not broken. And then, last but not least, our B2B outreach automation. This, still a work in progress, connects to your leads provider. This puts it all into a Google Sheet. This will write a personalized email based on the data provided by your lead provider available in this Google Sheets. And I tell you, when I was just doing calls and emails, I had as little information on that sheet as possible. But if the AI is reading it, it can read way faster. So put as much information in possible so that it can write you a personalized email. Write a personalized email too. Man, I was buzzing through it when I created it here. Okay, write a personalized email to row number 2. It's going to send that email into through your email integration. Mine is email integrated through Go High Level, but it's adding that to the contact of the campaign. Search the contacts to make sure, hey, this person opened and responded. This person did not respond. That's when it goes to the phone call. If they did respond, it sends them a LinkedIn connection request. If it didn't respond, it goes to a phone call. If they have a positive summary, it goes to LinkedIn. If they have a negative or non-summary, it goes back to the beginning. That is on-page SEO, off-page SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, and sales prospecting in 6 scenarios.